Good morning, futures traders. Today's Monday, March 6th, the time 9:28. We're going to be trading the market open today using the NinjaTrader automated trading strategy Ripper 1. We're trading the NQ on the Ninja Ranko 25 bar sizes. The software is currently enabled and we're waiting for the open. We'll trade 6 contracts with no target with a 10-tick trailing stop. So we're going to look to get a runner quickly at the open and then call it a day. So we'll wait for our first trade to execute. Okay, the market's open. All right, so in case people wondering why I chose Ripper 1 today, look at this price action. Nice long waves, so not a lot of chop. So I decided that I'm going to use Ripper 1 today. I could have used ShopBot as well, but Ripper 1's got these nice smooth waves, pullbacks, long runner, pullback, some runners. So that's why I chose it today. Not a lot of news today, but we'll see how we can do with the momentum at the open.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, we're in a pretty good runner here. We'll probably call it a day after this. We should be able to hit our target as we continue to rise. Really nice runner. Come on, keep going. We might hit our kill switch. And we hit our kill switch. This trade will still play out, but it will not trade anymore after this. So we're at 3,365. That's gross. So we'll see what it's like.
Order filled.
All right. So we're at 2390. 2390. That was a good quick trade, one and done. Again, so that's why I chose the Ripper 1, right? So earlier I said you had nice runs, small pullbacks, nice runs. We had a really nice run here. It waited to take the trade coming here. It's had some momentum. We took it. We trailed our stop 10 ticks, and we're done for the day. Anyway, not bad for a quick Monday. 4 minutes, less than 4 minutes. Have a great rest of the day, and I will see you tomorrow.